Greek life is coming under intense focus this morning after a freshman fraternity pledge died at Florida State University, FSU. His death prompting officials to suspend all Greek activities indefinitely at the university. Jennifer Leslie is digging deeper this morning. Jen, what do we know about the student and what happened?
Well, we know his name was Andrew Coffey. He was 20 years old. He was a Pi Kappa Phi pledge from Pompano Beach, Florida, who died after a house party last week. Police say he was found unresponsive Friday morning about a mile from campus. Neighbors say an unusually loud party took place the night before. They also say the fraternity was known for having parties. Investigators are now trying to figure out how he died. An autopsy will be critical to that piece of the investigation.
What exactly does this indefinite suspension mean?
So it's really serious. We can tell you that it applies to all fraternities and sororities on campus, and it means for now they are not allowed to hold new member events, chapter meetings, tailgates, or other related events. It also includes a ban on alcohol at all recognized student organization events.
I want to send a message, though. I clearly do. I want to send a message that we've got a serious problem and we need to deal with it, and they're part of the solution. And the sooner they can come to the table and we can all talk and find those solutions, the sooner this will be lifted.
So there are some clear parallels to a case we have followed closely there. The hazing death here, the hazing death of Maxwell Groover of Roswell. 10 members of Phi Delta Theta face criminal charges after the LSU freshman died in September. According to an autopsy report, he had more than 6 times the legal limit of alcohol in his system when he died.
We want to bring in Chesley and Fran into this discussion right now because, Chesley, we all know that you are a member of a fraternity, Omega Psi Phi. Fran, you're also a member of a sorority.
That's right.
Do you suspect here that other universities will follow suit?
I think that they're going to now be paying more attention. I'm actually a member of Delta Sigma Theta. I was president at Vanderbilt University years ago, and this is something that all universities need to be aware of, not only just the universities, but there needs to be accountability when it comes to the members. As president, I made sure I knew of anything, a 20-year-old being at my event drinking, that's not going to happen. You have to start taking responsibility. It's not just up to the university, it's the members as well. They're old enough.
It hasn't changed either. I mean, this, I'm a little older. I was president of Kappa Kappa Gamma at SMU, and we had issues like this a long time ago.
Yeah.
There's something in the system that has to change, and I'm so surprised that LSU wasn't a big enough wake-up call that other campuses like FSU would take notice.
Well, it's going on nationwide. Chesley?
Yeah, I'm a little against suspending everyone, though, because 2 reasons. Number one, the community service that these fraternities and sororities do provide to the campus, the students themselves, and the community. And some of these students rely on scholarships from their fraternities and sororities. And so by suspending them, you're limiting the funds that they receive to even go to school. So to penalize all for one bad behavior, I disagree with. But I do agree with the scrutiny, holding them under severe scrutiny. Certainly even expelling the fraternity, especially after you have repeated performances like this, you gotta go.
There has to be some sort of punishment for their actions.
Absolutely. Even expelling them. I'm saying even expelling that fraternity or sorority altogether, especially after repeated offenses like this.
All right. We want to get to our poll right now here, and we asked you to chime in on this through this poll. The question is, do you agree with Florida State University's decision to ban Greek life? So far, 54% of you are saying yes, 48% of you are saying no. So about an hour ago, we checked this. The numbers are about the same. No real change.